Introducing the 2025 Ford Tourneo Custom, a sleek, efficient 9-seater with sharp LED headlights, a confident stance, and a charging port for clean, electric city driving. Step into the driver's seat to experience comfort and control with a reverse camera and 5 drive modes: normal, eco, sport, slippery, and tow to handle any road. Move to the back and discover true flexibility. Front seats fold forward to open up a spacious, practical cabin. 6 rear seats are mounted on slide rails and foldable for easy reconfiguration, perfect for group travel or accommodating mobility needs. This is a minibus built for both business and comfort, ready to serve as a taxi, shuttle, or community vehicle. At the rear, you'll find generous luggage space, and when needed, the vehicle can accommodate one wheelchair user with telescopic ramps and restraints included. Ford badge, Tourneo identity, and plug-in hybrid technology. This vehicle is a modern icon in efficiency and design. Thanks for watching. For full details, visit the link in the description, and for the latest updates, don't forget to follow us on social media.